Hi guys, thank you once again for joining me today. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so and click the bell icon so you don't miss out. So thank you once again. So I don't carry my chair tender for here. I want to discuss about all these fake pastors, where they deceive everybody. Hey, they don't deceive Naija too much. Oh, I beg you. People are shine in my eyes now. Waiting they worry you now. Eh? How una fellow una go allow una fellow human being make it just dey deceive in the name of pastor? Ah, if they do una abeg make you say that juju or charm abeg is enough, because make you start dey use your brain now. How this kind of God they go dey live rough life, sinful life? I mean, I know they judge them, but na this thing like we dey see for kolo eyes, we dey see am, we dey hear am all the time. Eh? They do jiki with other women, they do kerewa with other women, and then you that are even holier than them, because still they call them papa in the Lord, mommy in the Lord. Which Lord? Which kind Lord? Okay, maybe na the rod wey dem dey use dey build house. These people, they are not holy at all. Even the God, the true God, is not there. Is not the God that they worship. These people are devil worshippers. They don't have fear of God in them. So how on earth you will just call this, especially this one? Look at this one. This one. You will call this one your a man of God, or your GO, your pastor. Where they do, just use the Coca-Cola, and the Sprite or Fanta they baptize. Now, where in the Bible they say make we use soft drink to baptize? God, in the Bible it is written that you should go inside the water and baptize, just like our Lord Jesus got baptized by John the Baptist. John the Baptist no use water, no use cold Coca-Cola, Fanta, Sprite. You no use Coke, you no use Fanta, you no use Sprite, you no use any soft drink. Now water that God created, water he used to baptize our Lord Jesus Christ. Even when Peter or Philip baptized this Ethiopian eunuch, now water. Where in the Bible they say make they use soft drink they baptize? Oh, why una no go use una common sense? Una common sense elude una. Naija abeg, make una wake up una own too much. Oh, even other Africa come dey emulate now. They emulate all this fake pastor, Nigerian pastor and GO. Make una wake up. Oh, e too much. How you go take your fellow human being as your God? Come dey do, you see this Joshua Igila, that one, just dey do kelewa with other, even we don't even know that he got married in 2014. They do kelewa with other women. And now because the wife, you know wetin the woman don go through. Him wife, I pity the wife don go through a lot. That's why the woman just because the woman is attack, maybe the woman is was attacking her and want to expose her. That's what was attacking him. I want to expose him. I beg, English not my first language. So it be like say the woman just was attacking him and want to expose him. That's why he came out, and all this is half fake confession, saying that blah 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 rubbish. He was talking on the pulpit. This one na agbero, real agbero, babalawo on the pulpit, real babalawo on the pulpit. Now God go expose all of them, and God will judge all of them. I beg, I don't want to make this video make it be long, but I need ask una please. I dey appeal to all Nigerians. I dey beg una, make una open una eyes now. Who do this to us, Open una eyes before I be big time mumu. But now my eyes don't open. Eh? Me, I no go allow them. No, me and pay tithe for what? For where? Pay tithe for go give my hard earned money to do all these crooks. Are they crazy? I know they crazy, so I beg. Make una open my eyes so our mood don't do. I beg enough. On this note, I say bye bye. God bless you now. Till next time I see you guys. Bye.